In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in your email body in Gmail. If you've ever wanted your message to stand out with a photo, a logo, or a quick screenshot, adding it directly inside the email body is the cleanest way to do it. First, open Gmail in your web browser, make sure you're in your inbox and ready to compose. Next, click Compose in the top left corner. A new message window pops up. Go ahead and place your cursor in the message area where you want the image to appear. This helps Gmail drop the picture exactly where you intend. Now look along the bottom toolbar of the Compose window for the insert photo icon. It looks like a small landscape. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the Compose window or revealing any hidden toolbar icons depending on your screen size. Then select Insert Photo. Gmail will ask you to choose your photo source. You can upload from your computer, pick from Google Photos, select a file in Google Drive, or paste a web address for an image. Upload is great for screenshots or files saved locally. Google Photos and Drive are handy if your assets are already in the cloud. If you use a web address, make sure it's a direct image link so it displays properly. Select the image you want. If you're uploading, wait for the progress bar to finish so the file is fully available. You'll see a preview confirming you chose the right picture. Before finalizing, choose how it appears. For most messages, inserting it in line is ideal so recipients see the image right in the body. Some Drive files can also be added as attachments or links. Use those only if you don't want the image to display inside the message. Click Insert to place the image into your draft. It should now appear where your cursor was. If you need to adjust it, click the image in the body. You'll see handles you can drag to resize, and alignment options in the formatting toolbar to move it left, center, or right. You can also drag the image to a new spot in your text. Keep proportions by dragging from a corner, and avoid extremely large images that can make emails load slowly. If an image appears too big, choose a smaller size or compress it before uploading. That's it, you've opened Gmail, composed your message, inserted your photo from the source you prefer, confirmed how it shows up, and adjusted the size and placement so it looks polished. Continue writing your email and you're all set.